In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to your Loom account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your Loom account. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you'll immediately see the options available for you. It's a friendly interface, designed to make your video sharing and storage as seamless as possible. Now that you're in, let's find the button to start the upload process. Look to the top right corner of the screen. There should be a button that says New Video. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to not just recording new videos, but also uploading existing ones that you want to share or store on Loom. Once you click New Video, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. One of them will read Upload Video. Click on that option. Now you're almost there. This is where you'll be able to choose the video you want to upload. You have two methods for selecting your video. The first method is pretty straightforward. Just click on the section where it prompts you to select a file, and then navigate through your computer's files to find the specific video you wish to upload. It might be on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or somewhere else. Take your time to locate it. If you're feeling a bit more tech-savvy or just want a quicker way to do things, you can simply drag and drop the video file directly into the Loom upload area. It's as easy as clicking on the file and holding it while you drag it over to the designated spot in the Loom window. Release your mouse button, and voila! The video will start uploading right away. Now, as you get your video ready, you'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the upload is complete. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection speed, this may take a little time. So, while we wait, let's talk about what happens next. Once the upload is finished, your video will automatically appear in your Loom library. This is like your personal workspace, where all your videos are stored, making it easy for you to access, manage, or share your content. You can take a moment to review your video, add titles or descriptions if desired, and, of course, decide on sharing options. What's great about Loom is that not only can you upload videos, but you also have the ability to share them with teammates or friends effortlessly. You just click on the Share button, and you'll have options to copy the link or send it directly to someone. It really brings collaboration to the forefront, doesn't it? And that's pretty much it. You've successfully learned how to upload a video to your Loom account. You can now enhance your communication, be it for work meetings, tutorials, or even just sharing moments. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me today to learn this quick and useful feature. Remember, mastering these small tasks can really help enhance your productivity. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this. Happy